to switch off your iPhone. Are you struggling to turn off your iPhone? Or have you just upgraded and are unfamiliar with the process? There's no need to worry, as Apple has modified this feature multiple times. Gadinsider is here to help you figure it out. Here are multiple ways to turn off your iPhone. How to turn off your iPhone 5 or iPhone SE first generation. Follow these instructions to turn off your iPhone 5 and iPhone SE. Firstly, hold the sleep or wake button present at the top unless the power off slider appears. Now drag the slider and your phone will be turned off within a while. How to turn off your iPhone 6, 7, 8, or SE 2020. Follow these instructions. First off, the sleep or wake button is placed at a different position in these models, which is slightly different from its predecessors. Press the sleep or wake button over the right-hand side of the phone unless the power off slider appears. Now you have to drag the on-screen slider to the off position and wait for a while and it will be turned off. How to turn off your iPhone X or later. Follow these instructions to turn off your iPhone X and the recent models. Firstly, hold on to the sleep or wake button over the right side of your phone along with the volume buttons. Now wait for a few seconds until the power off slider appears with emergency SOS and medical ID options available. Afterwards, you have to drag the on-screen slider to the off position and wait for a while and it'll be turned off.